Hello everyone, this is Specky Foodie. Today's menu will be Kimchi Fried Rice. Very tasty and simple to make, just like any fried rice. It's a must to make. Let's go cooking! Here's the ingredients you will need. Let's prepare the ingredients. Cut the ham and kimchi into small cubes. And for the rice, you can use overnight rice or you can cook the rice with less water than usual. Otherwise, your rice will be very mushy. And that's all for your preparation. At medium-high heat, add in 1 cup of oil. When the oil is hot, add in the hams. Remove them into the bowl once they are crispy. Turn heat to high and pour the oil from the ham. Add in the garlic and stir for 5 seconds. Then add in the shallot and fry for another 5 seconds. Add in the kimchi. Once the water starts to spread out, add in the rice. Continue stirring and gently press on the lumps of rice to loosen them. Add in all the condiments and mix well. Once the rice is separated, add in the kimchi sauce and ham. Mix them well and set them aside. This step is optional. Add in 3 tablespoons of oil and add in the eggs. Once the eggs is almost 90% cooked, turn heat to the lowest. You can either make them a side dish or add in the rice in the middle and serve them as it is. And it's done! Let's eat! Thank you very much for watching our video. Do click on like if you like the video. Let us know what food you would like to see in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Cheers!